Ever struggle to keep track of your invoices and get paid on time? Tired of manual data entry and the risk of human error? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Xero, a powerful cloud-based accounting software that can streamline your invoicing process and help you get paid faster. Specifically, we're going to learn how to effortlessly create a bill in Xero. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. Xero is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to manage your finances, from invoicing and expenses to bank reconciliations and reporting. Creating bills in Xero is a fundamental step in your accounting workflow. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, mastering this skill will save you time, reduce errors, and improve your cash flow. Step-by-step guide. Log in to your Xero account. Start by logging into your Xero account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for a free trial to explore its features. Navigate to the Accounts Receivable section. Once logged in, locate the Accounts Receivable section. This is where you'll manage all your invoices and customer interactions. Click on Create Invoice. Within the Accounts Receivable section, you'll find the option to Create Invoice. Click on this button to begin the invoicing process. Select the customer. The first step is to select the customer you're invoicing. You can either choose from your existing customer list or create a new customer profile. Add invoice details. Now, it's time to add the essential invoice details. Invoice number. Xero can automatically generate an invoice number, but you can also customize it if you have a specific numbering system. Invoice date. Enter the date the invoice was issued. Due date. Set the date by which the payment is expected. Reference number. Include any relevant reference numbers, such as a purchase order number. Tracking categories. If you use tracking categories to categorize your income, select the appropriate categories for this invoice. Add line items. This is where you'll detail the products or services you're invoicing. Description. Provide a clear and concise description of each item. Quantity. Enter the quantity of each item. Unit price. Enter the price per unit. Tax rate. Apply the appropriate tax rate to each item. Account. Select the appropriate income account for each item from your chart of accounts. Add discounts or adjustments. Optional. If applicable, you can add discounts to the invoice or make adjustments to the total amount. Customize the invoice. Optional. Xero offers various customization options to personalize your invoices. Add a logo. Upload your company logo to enhance the professional appearance of your invoices. Include terms and conditions. Add your company's terms and conditions to the invoice. Add a custom message. Include a personalized message to your customer, such as a thank you note or a call to action. Review and approve the invoice. Before sending the invoice, carefully review all the details to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Approve to finalize the invoice. Send the invoice. Xero offers several ways to send your invoices. Email. Send the invoice directly to your customer's email address. PDF. Download the invoice as a PDF and send it through other channels, such as fax or postal mail. Xero Invoice App. Use the Xero Invoice app to send invoices on the go from your mobile device. Track invoice payments. Once you've sent the invoice, you can easily track its status within Xero. You'll receive notifications when payments are received, and you can record payments directly within the system. Tips and best practices. Use invoice templates. Xero allows you to create and save invoice templates, which can significantly speed up the invoicing process for recurring services or frequently invoiced items. Automate recurring invoices. If you have recurring services, you can automate the invoicing process by setting up recurring invoices in Xero. Reconcile your bank accounts. Regularly reconcile your bank accounts with your Xero data to ensure accuracy and identify any discrepancies. Customize invoice settings. Take advantage of Xero's customization options to create professional and branded invoices that reflect your company's image. Explore Xero's reporting features. Xero provides powerful reporting features that can help you track your sales, analyze your cash flow, and make informed business decisions. Benefits of using Xero for invoicing. Increased efficiency. Streamline your invoicing process and save valuable time. Reduced errors. Minimize the risk of human error by automating data entry. Improved cash flow. Get paid faster by sending invoices quickly and easily. Better customer relationships. Enhance your professional image with professional-looking invoices. Enhanced data accuracy. Maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. Improve decision-making. Gain valuable insights into your business performance with Xero's reporting features. Creating bills in Xero is a simple yet essential process that can significantly impact your business's financial health. By following these steps and incorporating best practices, you can streamline your invoicing workflow, improve cash flow, and make more informed business decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.